Hindi ko malimutan. So, participants. You're all here today? Last meeting, I haven't finished the solution. And after, we'll solve the unfinished solution, and then we'll proceed with the assignment, okay? Anyway, you must have read the book, no? So, ano? Okay. Today is August 10, no? I had internet problems earlier. Last week, we only met once because I was required to do an orientation and make up for the new freshmen. Okay, let me just go through this quickly. Si Almiro lang wala. Okay. Nandito ba si Ang? Sorry. Arellano ang nandito. Arellano at Tiansar, and then Bation. Wala si Bation is here. Dabon is here. De Jesus. Is De Jesus here? Pero dalawa lang dapat absent. Duguran. Espera. And then Hardinel, Villar-Loares. So dalawang absent. Almelor and is Ang not here? Yes, dalawang absent. Ano? How about Jesus? Sinong na-miss ko? Arellano?
Present si Ang, sir.
Si Ang present. Okay, so dalawa lang absent. Okay. Yeah. Dalawa lang. But, okay, anyone else? So, yeah. Your assignment will be to okay. So, ano nga to? Sorry. No? Number systems, we are here. Wala pa tayong experiment, no? Next week na. And then we'll use Cedar Logic. Page 85. Just copy this. Anyway, last meeting I solved an example. I tried to solve an example which I haven't finished. Okay. So anyway, we'll solve the assignment shortly, no? So here's the we have solved Minterm expansion and max. Ito yung Minterm expansion. Can you see my worksheet? This is Minterm expansion. Okay. We are going. What we do is we distribute, no, apply the distributive law, and then look at each term. Okay, we have A, B, and A not C. So A, B is not Minterm because it lacks C. So we are just going to multiply it with 1. Okay, C plus not of C is anything odd with itself is 1. So we'll have this. Okay, this is now a Minterm. A not C is not Minterm because it lacks, no, B. So we'll multiply it with 1, and then we'll have it here. Now A, B, not C is duplicated, so we combine both. So we'll have this. No? So that's easy. No? Now the max term, did we convert the same? Yes, we convert the same, no? To a max term. So first we look at A. A is not a max term because it needs B and C. Okay, first we are going to add B. Okay, and after adding B, we will add C. Do you follow? Okay. Bakit nakaganito ito? Nagkamali ako ng ano, no? Sorry, I made a mistake in pasting. Okay. So to add B, we'll just add it with a 0. Do you follow? Do you follow? Adding it a 0 will not do anything because B ANDed with a not B is a 0 because they are complements. So now we are going to distribute A. So we'll have A plus B plus this. And so the resulting, this is the resulting expression. Do you follow? Do you follow, everyone? No? Ito yung ating resulting expression. Okay. This is, the A is converted into, this is our A. Okay. And then we have this. No? Now, we have three terms. But they are not, all of them are not max terms. So we'll deal with them individually. Okay? Do you follow? Do you follow? So, A plus B is not a max term. It lacks C. So we are going to multiply it with, or rather add it with a 0. So now we are going to distribute. So this will be AB plus C. And so eventually we will have what? Can we concatenate this? No, we'll just copy this. Then we will, this time we will multiply with A plus not of B times B plus not of C. You follow? No? You follow? Okay. We'll insert one line. Are you following me? This is the unfinished exercise we had before. We are going to convert this into max terms. Okay. You know what max terms are already, right? Parang min terms din siya, kaya lang these are terms that are with additions. Okay. Okay. So now, what's the problem here? What's the problem here? A plus not of B lacks C. Do you follow? So we will have A plus not of B. We are going to add a C and not of C. Do you follow? Do you follow? No? So eventually we will have A plus not of B. Okay. Because C will be, let me look at that. Okay. Plus C. We will just distribute. This is valid, no? A plus not of B plus not of C. Do you follow? Okay. Do we have a repetition? Wala tayong repetition, no? Okay. Okay. So therefore, we will have this. Just copy this. Are you following me? I hope you are, no? Okay, and then we'll copy this. And then finally, we will have B. Yeah, times B plus C. Okay. Do we have a repetition? Let's look at the max terms. AB plus C, then we have A plus B plus not of C, A plus not of B, and A plus not of B, not of C. So walang repetition, but we have a problem here because B plus not of C lacks A. Do you follow? Do you follow? So itong last. No? So what are we going to do? We are going to have to add this, or rather, yeah, we are going to add B plus not of C. We are going to add C, A, not of A. Do you follow? We are just adding, and then we will distribute. Okay, so we'll have A plus B plus not of C. We're just arranging it by letters, no, alphabetically. Not of A plus B plus not of C. You follow? Do we have a duplication? Itong ano, ito, wala pangalawa. How about A plus B plus not of C? Now this is a duplication, right? So this is a duplication. Okay. A plus B plus not of C. Diba? And then anything, A plus A times A is A. Diba? 1 times 1 is 1. 0 times 0 is 0. That's correct. Okay, so we can remove the duplication. So we'll have, this is the final answer. Copy this. Okay. And then we'll copy this. Append it here. Find out if, I'm sure we don't have, do we still have a duplication for not of A? Wala na yung not of A. How about this? Okay. So this is our final answer. No? Any questions so far? No? These are now max terms. We don't have to arrange this no, according to numerical order. I think I will, anyway, no, I will upload this to our regular site. Okay. This is the answer to A and B, 4.27 A and B. Okay. Which page is this? So, no. So the process is mechanical. It's long but mechanical. Okay. If you want, you could construct the truth table. Okay. Let's look at the truth table. That's a way to double check. A 0, 0. Sorry. 0, 0, 0. 0, 0, 1. This is the truth table, so we'll check if they complement each other. No? 0, 0, 1, 0. We have 0, 1, 1. 1, 0, 0. 1, 0, 1. 1, 0. 1, 1, 1. Okay. Can we just pagalitin na lang natin. Okay. What's the first midterm expansion? So this is the original this is the original A times B not C. F is equal to A times B plus. See that's the original expression. Okay. A times quantity B plus C. Okay. So the first midterm, the midterm expansion is this. We'll copy this. A ba? ABC plus A na B. Okay. So first we'll have ABC. So this is 1. Okay. And then we'll have A not B, C. So 0. C 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0. Okay. And then we have 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0. Okay. Just center this. It's the truth table. Okay. And then what will we have for this max term? ABC is a okay. We will do a complement, right? They follow because it's this. No, ABC is this. That's 0, 0, 0 because we'll change the complement. Let's center this. And then 1 1 no 0 0 1 0 0 1, that's what, that's right here, no? And then we'll have 0 1 0 0 1 0 because we have a plus not to b. We will complement. Okay, do you follow? Okay, we have a, we have 0 1 1 0 1 1, that's it. Okay, do you follow? And we have 1 0 1 1 0 1. Do you follow? Okay, do you follow? Do you get my point now? So they're the same expressions, which means that these two expressions are the same. Okay, but they are just the complement of each other. This is the Minterm expression and this is the Maxterm expression. Okay, but they should, if you look at them at the truth table, they should be the same. Now take note that in the truth table we will convert this to 0, right? Ito, ito. Kasi that's how to do, that's how to do it according to our, to convert this. Okay, so yun, they complement each other. Any questions so far? Okay, so now we will have to solve exercises 2F, 2G, and 2C. Which page is that? Page 85. Do I have that already? Because I may have solved it before. Okay. 85. No, wala pa. Pero I have another, ano. This is page, which page is this? 4.27. I think this is page 108. Okay. So anyway, let's look at that first and then we'll solve the assignment. Okay. Have we discussed this already? Oh, nabigay ko na ito. Okay. Page 108, 4. Okay. Sorry, nawala ko yung ano. I think it's 108. Okay, ganito. Andali lang ha. Excuse me. It's page 108. I'm sorry for that. No? Just looking up for the page number. 4.27, yes. Oh, this is on page 113. I'm sorry. No? Page. I'm going to upload this. Record na ba tayo? I'm sorry, no? Yes. So this is page 113. This is the one. Okay. So let me upload this to our site. Seven. 5. sum of products in terms and max terms. Okay. So, bakit nagkaganon? I'm sorry, no? I have a little problem. Hindi na gano'n. Page 113. That's our sample exercise, min terms and max terms, no? Okay. And then we will solve the assignment. Okay, have you solved this yourself? Okay. Exercise on page 85. Actually, this is a study guide exercises, no? On page 85. So how do we do this? Shall we say 995? Is exacto, no? Dito na tayo. 85, okay. 2F. For the given truth table, write F as a sum of 4 product terms, which corresponds to 4 ones of F. 4 product terms, because there are 4 ones, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4. Of course, it's expected to be the product terms. 4 zeros, which means from 4 zeros, this is the product of 4 sums, 4 zeros, okay? Verify that your answers are both reduced to this. Okay, how do you do that? Okay, how do you do that? Okay. By looking at the truth table, no? By looking at the truth table, if they have the same truth table, they reflect the same expression. There are other ways, no? Do you follow? There are other ways. Later we will do Boolean simplification, and we'll find out that they are the same. Okay? Did we have that already? Boolean simplification. So Boolean algebra, logic gates, and Boolean algebra, no? Excuse me a while, ah. Excuse me a while, sandali lang, no? Okay. Anyway, for now, since we haven't discussed Boolean simplifications, we look at the truth table. Okay? Do you follow? Product of 4 sums, no? The first is sum of products. The second is product of 4 sums. Okay? Do you follow? Okay. So anyway, let's do that in Excel. Saan yung aking Excel? Save as natin ito. And then I'll give you other examples, no? Meron pa akong ibang examples, no? Online classes. TS4152. This is what, this is exercise 2, page 85. Page. What's the first problem? Let's look at that. ABC. So yeah, product of sums. No? F, G, and H. ABC. So ano yun? 1, 1, 0. 1, 1. 1, 1, 0. 1, 1 tapos tatlong 0. Okay? One, one, 0. 1, 1, 1. So, expand this anyway, no? Okay. This is A. This is F. Small letter A, no? So that's how it was written. So this is 0, 0, 0. Up. Yeah. Ganyan na lang. There's a shorter way to do this. But anyway, let's not make things complicated. Okay. This is the page 2F, no? Problem H. Page 25. First is a sum of products. Okay. Sum of products. So what do we have for sum of products? We are going to consider the rows which are 1. Okay. So we have copy this. Okay. So first, this is what? This is not of A, not of B, not of C. You follow? This is not of A, not of B, C. Is that correct? This is not, we'll look at the ones. Okay. And then we'll have not of A. No. Yeah, that's correct. Not of A, B, C. Are we correct here? Yes. This is A, not of B, not of C. Okay. And then we will just concat. So our answer will be F is equal to equals concat. Bakit ayaw? Concatenate. Ayaw ng ating concatenate. Equals concat. Ayaw mag-work ang ating concatenate. Yes, wait. Bakit ayaw? E4, this is E7. E7. Mali. Okay, sorry. Let's just copy this na lang. Dapat merong plus. Equals concatenate. Tama. Plus. Tama. Plus. Okay. Alright. This is the lazy man's, you know, lazy man style. Bakit ayaw?
Sir, dapat double quote na, sir.
Double quote ito.
Yeah.
Yun, baliktad lang itong order na, but it doesn't matter. Thank you, no? Okay. Do you follow? Do you follow? No? That's the correct answer. Let's just... We'll copy this again for the product of sums. Okay. Okay, bakit ayaw? Okay. Do you follow? M, the capital M. So what will this be? We'll invert the zeros to ones and ones to zeros. We'll pick up the zeros. Do you follow? So this will be A plus not of B plus C. Okay, is that correct? And then there's another zero here. We'll have not of A plus B plus not of C. You follow? Okay, and then this will be easier to concatenate, right? Not of A plus not of B plus C. You follow? And this is not of A plus not of B plus not of C. Okay. So for our answer, we'll just have F equals. Dito tayo mag F equals. Okay. Then we'll just concatenate. Wala nang ano, no? Wala na tayong course. Okay? Do you follow? Ano bang sabi sa third? Sa third? Verify that both will reduce to B not C, A not C. Okay? B not, that's 100. 100 and this is a 00 and 01. Okay. Look at that again. 00 yung dulo. You follow? This is 0, 0. This is 0, 0. Okay. Is that correct? Zero, zero, and 0, 0. Okay. Ito, saka ito. And then we'll have 0 and 1 at the end. 0 and 1. So this 0 and 1 and this 0 and 1. So these two are okay because 0, 0. Take note, no? They're the same. Okay. Do you follow? One way to do this is to apply the theorems. Okay. Can we do that? Simply, let's try that, no? Kaya ba natin ito? There's a short way of doing this, no? Copy. Paste special. Paste special lang. Okay. So how can we do this? We'll apply we will factor out tayo. No? This what will if we'll factor out? We'll factor out the biggest factors, no? Not BC. Ito, okay? So we'll have the first and the last, right? This will be this equal to A not of B not of C, and then we'll join it with the last not of A not of B not of C plus not of A B C plus not of A not of B. I just interchange the last term. I just put it there beside so that it will be obvious that the biggest we'll always attempt to factor out the biggest factor first, no? Do you follow? Okay. Okay. So for example, this 2 is not of A and not of C, right? And this one, what's the biggest factor here? You have A times, okay, pinakauna is A, okay. The factor is, the biggest factor is as A, no? The biggest factor here is B not C, not B not C. Do you follow? Do you follow? Okay. Okay. Do you follow? And we can make short work of this because then the next biggest factor is not A, C, right? So we'll have B plus not of B times not A, C. Do you follow? Do you follow, everyone? No? Do you follow? So A plus, this is equal to, so ang hirap, no? But this is not as difficult as it is, no? There's another way, no? Mahirap ito because we're doing it manually, no? But this is now equal to A plus not of A is 1, right? Anything added to itself is 1 because 1 plus 0 is 1. 0 plus 1 is added to its complement. So this is not of B not of C, okay, plus not of A C. Okay. So what did anong sabi nung that is equal to not? Okay, A not of C. That's correct, right? Do you follow? So it's equal to this. Okay. Now how about the other one, the product of sums? What ang problema ngayon? Copy. Just put it here. Ito ang mahirap, no? Okay. Because we will expand this. Okay. Unahin natin ito. Because it's like that, no? Not of A plus not of B plus not of C times not of A. I-distribute natin plus not of A plus not of B plus not of C times not of B, right? So this is a long process, no? Ang haba nito, no? Okay? Ang haba nito because eventually when we multiply not of A times not of A, it becomes 0 times 0 is a 0, right? 1 times 1 times 1 is a 1. So anything ordered with a 1 or with a 0 itself, no? So anyway, we'll not solve this for the moment na lang. This is too long, no? But we'll go through Boolean simplification in the next chapter. Okay? No? Kasi ang haba nito, kulangin tayo ng oras. Okay? Anyway, we'll solve the this is the assignment already, right? I'm going to show you another example. This is any questions so far? On page 108, 4-3. This is the same chapter, okay? I-upload ko na ito, no? Okay, upload ko na ito. Point F, 2 G. Okay. 3C pala yung ating ano, no? Sorry, no? 3C. Okay na ito. Pareho lang sila, no? M notation, you don't have to do this anymore. 2.F and 2.G na lang, no? 3C pala yung ating assignment, hindi 2C. So, mahirapan talaga tayo dito, no? We can only do this. 2G and H, and 3C pa pala. Okay? This is easy to do. You just need a Minterm notation. The summation and pi. Any questions for this? 2F and 2G na lang. Wait, I'm just going to upload this, no? Yung hindi na kailangan, you just have yung 3C, kaya we have to skip it, no? We have sample exercise 2 on page 8. Bakit wala, hindi mag-drop, no? Kanya mag-drop. Okay. So it's there. Balik-balik ang kanyang Okay. Disregard the sequence lang muna, no? because we are using a sequence from another book. Okay. Page 108 ito. Which page is this? 113. Page 85. Because in each chapter, there's our study guide questions and there are chapter exercises. The study guide questions come before the chapter and the exercises come after the chapter. Okay. Tapos tayo dito. SOP. Page 108 ito. Ito page 85. Have we discussed this already? Okay. Now there's another on page 108 na solve. Did we solve 108? Solve na ba natin itong 108 before? Anyway, I have it here. 4.3 no. Let me just look at it. You have questions for this? No? Anyway, it's there, no? It's the same exercise. And then what I'd like to show you is for exercise 109. Page 109, 4.9. Same chapter, no? Okay. Halos pareho lang sila, no? This is the M notation. M notations means the summation. Okay, you just sum. So, ang ibig sabihin ng summation, you'll use the summation and then we'll include 0, summation of 0, 1, 4, 5, 6. Do you follow? 1, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Okay. Do we have a no? F is equal to, dito ko na lang ilagay. How do we insert insert a symbol? Summation. Nasaan yung summation? Sigma yan, di ba? Wala tayong summation. Do we have a pi? We'll just make use of a look-alike, no? Ito, pwede natin itong gawing pi. Okay? Anong gagawin natin sigma? Summation. Let's look for one. Yeah, can we use this? Hindi siya ano. Summation of what we have? 0, 1, 4, 4, 5, 7. Bakit ang laki? Format cells. Okay, do you follow? Ito yung summation, no? This is the small m notation. Okay? Okay, small m notation. Now for the max terms, okay, these are the itong zeros ang gagamitin natin. They follow. F equals, we'll insert a character. Ano nga yung pi natin? Wala talaga tayong summation, sigma. We don't have a better better symbol. We have a pi already, right? Ito pala yung ating summation kanina, no? Then we'll have a Arabic na ito. So we'll just need some Roman numerals. Ito na lang. And you have this. It's a look-alike, okay? Summation of what we have, 2, 2, 3, and then we have 7. This is a multiplication. It's not summation, okay? Okay. And then we'll just change the font. You follow? So ganun lang naman yun, okay? We don't have a pi, so we'll use this. Ang ibig sabihin nito, this is a multiplication. Okay? This means that this is a summation. Okay? That's a small m notation. This is the big M notation. Okay? Can we copy that for our for 3C? Sum of products ito. So this equal to what? Anyway, meron na tayong we have a notation already, no? We'll just copy this. Then I'll upload it again, okay? This is not a 1, but this is a okay. 0, 1. This is a 0, 1. This is a 3. 0, 1, 3, and 4. You follow? Okay. That's the summation. And then this, we copy from another. Because this is 3C na, no? So we need to have this. Ito lang. Because we are required to do it. No? This is not this is first, this is 2. Right? That's correct, that's 2. And this is 1, 2, 4. This is 5. So we have 5. 5. The next is a 6. And the next is a 7. You follow? No? Okay. So I'll upload this. And then you review this. This is the big M notation because we don't have a pi. It's supposed to be a pi. And this is the small m notation because we don't have a summation. Okay? So in Excel, you just do this, okay? I'll upload this now. This is exercise 2, page 85. Page 85. Then what do we have again? The isa is 109. 109, 4.9. Page 109. Where's that? Wala, no? Oh, I'll just upload this, no? Exercise 2, page 85. Okay. Bakit wala? Hindi na shoot. Okay. So, any questions so far? Okay. You follow? So anyway, let's review the topics that we did. Review natin, no? So logic gates, and then properties, K-maps, no? And then SOP, sum of products, product of sums. This is the truth table. The other is the K-map. It's a grid, no? And then the min terms are equivalent to the rows that result to 1. The max terms are the rows that result to 0. So if you have this, now the K-map is actually a grid type, no? A grid approach where we have for the rows we have A and for the columns we have B. Entries of 0 in the K-map correspond to max terms. Entries of 1 correspond to min terms, no? Okay. So min term form, the SOP form, sum of products, and max term forms the product of sums, no? So ito yung how to derive the SOP, no? And the min terms and max terms. So this is the min term forms 0, 0 man. So this is for max terms you reverse the process. If it's 0, 0, it's 1 plus 1, no? Do you follow? And you only pick the zeros, no? Ito lang yung sa zeros. In the min term you only pick the ones. Okay? Do you follow? So ito yung sinasabi, this is the M notation. We don't have a sigma there, so we use a sigma equivalent, and we don't have a pi, so we use a pi equivalent. So the main law, x plus y equals y plus x, the dual laws, no? And then we are going to use this laws again in Boolean simplification. In fact, I've given you an example, no? I've given you an example on a simple simplification, one of the exercises, no? That's in page 85 ito. How to simplify You follow? By factoring, by applying the laws, we are able to simplify this as this. Okay. Now, we will do Boolean simplification next meeting. What's the importance of Boolean simplification? Because when you convert this into a circuit, no, the minterms and the maxterm forms, usually they will result to more complex circuitry, which means that you will need more components and you will need more wires. Okay, just like writing a program that is not optimized, you will have a lot of branches, no? And when looking for a bug, it will be very difficult to look for a bug if the code is complicated. Now, it will be very difficult to troubleshoot a circuit if it has a lot of wires and a lot of connections, no? So that's why we have to simplify the Boolean expression so that we come up with a simplified circuit. Okay, so next meeting, I'm going to show you Cedar logic, okay? How to construct these circuits into into actual circuit. Can you download your Cedar logic already? Do we have this already? Ito. Download this. We will not use this. Is our substitute for Logisim, because I have a problem with Logisim lately. No, I cannot install it in Windows 10. The strange thing is, if I'm going to install the installer, I will have a blue screen. Okay, so I will use this. No, I'm going to brief this again. I'm going to review this because I'm used to Logisim and Circuit Maker. No, this is the first time I've used this, but you can create circuits here already. No, you can start this. It's simple. No, what I'd like to know is how to monitor the output. Yun pa yung hindi ko na ano. Okay, but I'm going to give this to you next meeting. Okay. Any questions so far? No assignment. No assignment today. I'll give you assignments next meeting. It will be simple, no? Constructing logic circuits in Cedar logic. Okay. So we'll dismiss, no? We have no time for a new topic.
Ay, sir, regarding sa next meeting, when gani ang next meeting, sir?
Wednesday. Oh, Thursday. May klase ba? May holiday ba ngayong August?
Ano daw yung Thursday, sir? Fiesta? Sado?
Itong 12?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Fiesta na po sa
20,
Thursday.
wala pa klase sa 20, di ba? So, ano fiesta? How about tomorrow? Is there a meeting tomorrow? I-email ko pala lahat ng estudyante ko. Where do we get a source from that? Do we have an email? Meron ba tayong email dyan?
For Fiesta, sir.
Yes.
Ang sabi sa amin sa samahan is magpadala pa daw ng mag-send out daw ng memo si Ma'am Gina. I'm not sure when po. Probably this week.
Dapat ano siya before kasi bakit absent ta? They're very strict with the teachers' absences. Wala pa akong email, no? Okay. So anyway, anong gagawin natin? I'll just wait for the email, okay? And then I'll email you. Anyway, I can email you once. And then we'll find out. No, wala talagang email, oh. Can we look it up? Ang problema, wala na tayong ano eh. Wala na tayong, the Ateneo website is not updated. We don't have a school calendar anymore. Wala na silang school calendar dito. Okay. Pangit ilang website. Wala nga school calendar. O, 2015 pa. Okay. So anyway, I'll email you for updates. Okay. Thank you, everyone. No assignment today.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Thank you.
Yes, sir.
I'll
Yes,
upload the
sir.
recording. No? Okay. And thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.